Spectrum Mobile offers several ways to send and view text messages. The primary methods are SMS for basic texts, MMS for media like images and videos, RCS for advanced features on Android, and iMessage for Apple devices. SMS handles basic text messages, MMS supports multimedia content, RCS provides rich features for Android users, and iMessage works on Apple devices. If you're using an Android phone on Spectrum Mobile, the default messaging app is typically Google Messages, which supports both SMS, MMS, and RCS. For iPhone users, iMessage is the native app. To view your messages, simply open the corresponding app on your device. If you're having trouble receiving messages, ensure your data plan is active and that you have a compatible SIM card. While iMessage offers a seamless experience for Apple users, it doesn't work on Android without workarounds. RCS aims to bridge this gap, providing features similar to iMessage on Android devices, such as read receipts, high-res media sharing, and end-to-end encryption. To enable RCS in Google Messages, go to Settings, Chat Features, and toggle it on. For cross-platform viewing, consider using third-party apps like WhatsApp, Signal, or Telegram, which are available on both Android and iOS. These apps offer secure and feature-rich messaging experiences. Alternatively, some services, like Google Messages, allow you to view messages on the web by linking your account. Keep in mind that Spectrum Mobile's app or Verizon's portal primarily provide call and text logs, but not the actual message content due to privacy reasons. As of 2025, RCS is becoming increasingly prevalent on Spectrum Mobile, rivaling iMessage in functionality for Android users. Adoption of secure messaging apps like Signal is also growing due to privacy concerns.